Good morning, student. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. लास्ट टाइम बच्चों हमने डिस्कस किया था, लास्ट टाइम हम क्लिनिकल ट्रायल पैरामीटर्स पे बात कर रहे थे. अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा स्टार्ट होता है जेनरिक ड्रग्स एंड इनोवेटिव ड्रग्स. इनोवेटिव ड्रग्स या फिर जेनरिक ड्रग्स. क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में फर्दर जो हमारी जेनरिक ड्रग्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, किसी भी न्यू ड्रग डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी हम जेनरिक ड्रग्स और इनोवेटिव ड्रग्स का यूज करते हैं, उनमें क्या डिफरेंशिएशन होते हैं, क्या डिफरेंस होता है दोनों में. आज हम उसकी बात करेंगे कि जेनरिक ड्रग्स हमारी कौन सी होती हैं और इनोवेटिव ड्रग्स हमारी कौन सी होती हैं. ये जो हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है फार्मास्यूटिकल रेगुलेटरी अफेयर्स, इसका सेशन है जेनरिक ड्रग्स एंड इनोवेटिव ड्रग्स. For the B Farm 8 SEM students. So today's topic is generic drugs and innovative drugs. So we can start this topic. What is generic drugs? Firstly, we discuss about the generic drugs. A drug product that is comparable to brand innovative drug in dosage form and strength and route of administration and quality and performance characteristic and intended use. It should contain the same active ingredients as the original formulation. What are the generic drugs? They are drugs which have the same chemical composition, and branded drugs are and sold under their chemical name. For example, paracetamol, a painkiller, is the generic name for the branded drug like Crocin and Calpol. The market situation is a little different in India than the USA or other development nations. In USA, when a new drug is launched, only the company that hold the FDA patent are legally allowed to set the drug, thus giving them market monopoly. In India, however, there were no patent law till 2005. Which meant that anyone could replicate any drug in India without legal ramification. This led to the trend of the branded generic drugs, which has about 99.5% of the country in generic drug for the sharing. When generic drug marketed, जो हमारी जेनरिक ड्रग्स है वो हमारे मार्केट में कब आई? A patent and exclusivity after protection ends. Patent owner waives its rights and FDA requirement are met. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि जेनरिक ड्रग्स और ब्रांडेड ड्रग्स में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. जो हमारी ब्रांडेड नेम ऑफ द ड्रग इन एनडीए रिक्वायरमेंट एंड जेनरिक ड्रग फॉर द एएनडीए रिक्वायरमेंट्स. Firstly, labeling and pharma and chemistry and manufacturing controls, microbiology, testing and animal studies and clinical studies and further bioavailability. Where are they available? जो हमारी जेनरिक ड्रग्स होती हैं वो कैसे अवेलेबल होती हैं, कैसे उनका ओरिजिनेशन होता है. जेनरिक ड्रग आर सोल्ड everywhere, including our local chemist. To buy them, one simply has to ask for the generic version of a branded drug. Thoroughly, they don't have them for all medicine. The Department of Pharmaceutical of the government is responsible for the promoting generic drugs, but they have not done a very good job. After the expiry of the patent of the marketing rights, the patent drug and the generic drug are marketed. They are comparable to brand drug in dosage, form, strength, route of administration, and quality and performance characteristic and intended use. Generic drugs are available at affordable price with maintaining quality. These generic formulation balance public interest as critical disease like cancer and AIDS, etc. Now we come to the product development and product. What is the product? A product is something sold by the enterprise to its customer. And product development is the set of activities beginning with the perception of market opportunities and ending in the proportion, sale and delivery of a product. द प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस, व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस? ये जो प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस है हमारा किसी भी न्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी के लिए, वो हम पहले जो हमारे लास्ट सेशंस थे उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया है, लेकिन ये जो अभी हम जेनरिक ड्रग्स पढ़ रहे हैं इसका भी एक पार्ट है कि जो हमारा न्यू प्रोडक्ट होता है उसका प्रोसेस डेवलपमेंट कैसे करते हैं. A process is a sequence of steps that transform a set of inputs into a set of outputs. A product development process is the sequence of steps or activities that an enterprise employs to conceive, design, and commercialize a product. Some organizations define and follow precise and detailed product development process, while others may not even be able to describe their process. Now we come to the generic product development process. किसी भी generic drug product का process हम कैसे करते हैं? We will consider here a generic product development that can be used in market pull situation. The input is the process to mission statement, and the output of the process is the product launch. What is the mission of the statement? जो हमारा generic products थे, generic medicines थे, उसका mission क्या था? Identify the target market for the product. Provides a basic function description of the product and specify the business goals of the efforts result from well execute product planning and phase. Product launch occurs when the product becomes available for purchase in the marketplace. A generic product development process flowchart is designed by the first one is a mission statement and product planning. Mission statement is categorized into three parts. First one is concept development system and system level design and detailed design, testing and refinement, and production ramp up, product launch. Concept development. The need of the target market to identify an alternative product concept are generated and evaluated, and a single development is selected for the further development. A concept is the description of the form, function, and features of the product and is usually accompanied by a set of specification and analysis of competitive products and economic justification of the project. डिटेल डिजाइन की बात करते हैं कि जो हमारा जेनरिक प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनकी डिटेल डिजाइनिंग क्या होती है. Includes the complete specification of the geometry, material, and tolerance of the unique parts in the product and identification of all the standard parts to be purchased from suppliers. A process plan is established and tooling is designed for each part to be fabricated with the production system. The output of the phase is the control documentation for the product. Testing and refinement involves the construction and evaluation of the multiple pre-production version of the product. Early prototypes are usually built with the production, internet, and parts with the same geometry and material properties as intended for the production version of the product. Later prototype are usually built with the parts supplies by the intended production process, but may be assembled using the intended final assemble process. So the drug discovery protocol on the behalf of generic medicine, generic drugs, and innovator drugs. This topic is finished. So students, thank you. And कोई भी query हो, कोई भी problem हो, then आप इसमें जो हमारी ये slide है, जो video है, इस पे mention कर सकते हैं. Then we will discuss in next class. Okay, thanks.